filter effect, blur effect, distort effect, rendering effect. We will now look at some commands from the Photoshop filter menu. Let us see how the commands blur, distort, noise, rendering make an impact while editing the photo. Distort. Let us see a demonstration of the effect the command distort has on the photo. You will see some options under the distort command. The first option is displace. Displace means place one component in place of another component. Let us now see how this option works. First, open a photo. Let us blur the surface in it. For this, select the option Gaussian Blur available in the filter menu. We will set its pixel value to 1. Let us reduce the saturation in the hue and saturation palette. This will change the image to a black and white image. Save this file as a new file using the option Save As. Instead of saving this file in the JPEG format, save it in the PSD format. Give it a new name and press Save. Now open the original file again. Select the Type tool from the toolbox and type some text. Format the text. Select the type layer and select the option Displace under the Distort command. You will observe that the type layer needs to be rasterized after this command is select. The dialog box for this will open. Click on OK. After the type layer is rasterized, the next dialog box for Displace is opened. We will set the scale in this dialog and click on OK. Now the next step is to set the text in the image that we want to set it in. The dialog box for that will be opened. Select the PSD file that you had saved previously from this dialog. Observe the changes that have happened to the text. It is now completely merged with the background. To bring further realism in it, select the option Overlay from the layer palette. Reduce its opacity a little bit. To make it more attractive, right-click on the layer and select the blending option. Select Bevel and Emboss and make changes. That is, change its style, depth, size or opacity as required. Now see the final look of your image. Render lighting effect. We see lighting effect in many photos. That is, an image under a spotlight or light focused only on a certain component of the image. What command helps us set these effects? All these can be done by using the command Render available in the filter menu. Let us see how this is done. Let us load a photo first. Perform the command Background Unlock and give it a blending mode color. For example, give it any effect selected from Overlay, Screen and Multiple. Right-click on its layer and select the option Convert to Smart Object. Now, to show a part of the image in the spotlight, select the command Render from the filter menu. We can see many options here. Select the command Lighting Effect. Now you can see an oval spotlight on the image. The Properties panel can be seen next to it. Some options are available in it which control the lighting effect. The first one is Spot. Next is Point, and third is Infinity. We can set how we would like to have the light effect using these. The icons for these effects are available on the option bar too. There is one more effect available on the option bar, which is Preset. We can select the specific type of lighting effect using this command. For example, for this photo, we have selected the lighting effect Spot. However, we wish to have this light spot coming from 3 to 4 dimensions. So let us select the effect 5 light down or 5 light up from preset. We can change the color of the light too. For this, select the option Color from the Properties panel and select any solid color from it. The part of the image under the spotlight can be brightened or darkened using the intensity slider. The option available under it, Hotspot, relates to the smaller oval area present in the oval spotlight. Using Hotspot, we can increase or reduce the area under the spotlight, glass, metallic, and ambience. Using these, the spotlight can also be controlled. Click on the OK button after all the actions are completed. If you want to give any additional light effect, then select the command Lighting Effect. Select the effect that you need and click on the OK button.